Hello and welcome to How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can Google Translate Japanese PDF to English or any other languages. So let's go ahead and start the video. Open any type of browser on your PC and go to Google Translate. Then you can go ahead and click on Documents, which is over here, and choose your file. Before that, you can go ahead and view your file. You can see that this is a PDF which is on Japanese language. Now let me go ahead and turn this into English. You can just drag and drop it over here and click on Translate, or you can upload it manually by opening your File Explorer. The download is ready. Just go ahead and click on Download Translation. We are translating it from Japanese to Italian. So go ahead and click on Download Translation and click on Open File. After that, click Close. And then if this is not detected as Japanese, you should go ahead and select the Japanese font, which is over here, and select it to the selective languages of your choice and click Translate again. After a while, the folder will be uploaded and will be downloaded automatically. Go ahead and click on Download, click on Open File once again, click Close, and you can see that the language has been translated from Japanese to Italian as you had chose Italian. So guys, this is how you Google Translate the Japanese PDF files to any other languages. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.